So, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, in this particular video, I have come with one more ways through which you can generate passive income for yourself. So, in this particular idea, you will be needing no skill, not even a single rupee of investment, and generate good decent amount of money for yourself. Okay, let me make it clear in the beginning itself that in this particular session, we are not going to sell any products, we are not going to use any gaming applications or betting applications. It's a genuine and honest way through which you can generate money for yourself. So, firstly, let me share with you the payment proof. On my screen, as you can see, is my payment proof, and you can make this yours as well by following the steps that I will be mentioning in this particular video. So, let's talk about the eligibility criteria for this particular program. If you are a student, housewife, working profession, doesn't matter. Anyone out there with the internet and a device can actually log in for this particular program and generate revenue for themselves. So anyone out there watching this video can actually apply for this particular program and make money for yourself. So this program is launched by one of India's biggest e-commerce giant, Indiamart. So no doubt in authenticity. Indiamart is one of India's biggest marketplace with over 1 lakh plus categories and 1 crore plus listed products available on their particular website. So, why did Indiamart e-commerce giant launch this particular program? Only for one main reason. They want to create a noise in the market regarding Indiamart e-commerce website itself, because very less people in India know about Indiamart. So, in order to create a space for them in the market, they are launching this particular program. Okay, now let's discuss about how to earn money and how to withdraw the earned money directly to your bank account. Before we do that, give a explore to our channel down there and go through the videos, and if you really felt that this channel will bring out growth in you, do consider subscribing and stay tuned with us for more such videos. So don't forget to subscribe. Now you can enroll to this particular program either using your smartphone or by using laptop as well. No restriction in the devices that you can use. Either you can go with your laptop or with your smartphone. You just need to have internet connection. That's it. That's the minimum requirement that you have for this particular program to earn money. This program is called as Indiamart's affiliate marketing program. Wait. This program is completely different from the traditional affiliate marketing program. Let me explain. In other affiliate programs, only if the user buys the product from your affiliate link, you will be getting a small amount of commission. But in this particular affiliate program, if you just click on the affiliate link that is being provided for you, you will be getting money for that. So it's just that you just need to generate more clicks on your affiliate links, and even if the user doesn't buy it, it doesn't matter, you will be getting money for that. So that's what makes this affiliate program different from the traditional affiliate program. Sounds interesting, right? So how much money can you really make? Let's discuss about that as well. So for every click that you generate on your affiliate link, you will be getting 2.5 rupees, which is like for 10 clicks that you generate, you will be getting 25 rupees, and for 100 clicks, you can easily earn up to 250 rupees every single day, and you can use this amount for your daily expenses as well. Also, only legit and authentic clicks will be calculated through which you can make money. You cannot use bots or any other illegal websites to generate more clicks, because those clicks will not be considered as your earning clicks. So for that reason, just focus on bringing genuine and honest clicks on your affiliate links. Now, on this particular video, I have come with a bonus tip through which you can generate more clicks on your affiliate links. So before doing that, let's see how to register yourself to this particular program. So the link will be available down there in the description. If you click on that, you will be redirected to the Indiamart's affiliate program directly. You have to register yourself by providing your mail ID and some of the basic details like your full name, your phone number, and you have to check on I agree checkbox as well. And once you click on that, the further things will be proceeding. Nextly, Firstly, you need to upload your social media account shareable link over here as well. Anyone of your YouTube channel, Instagram page, or Facebook page shareable link, you just need to provide over here. And don't worry, you no need to be an influencer to do this. Even if you have less subscribers and less followers, you will still have the eligibility to participate in the IndiaMart's affiliate program. No such conditional boundaries is kept by IndiaMart, so that's a big win-win. And once you have pasted the URL of your social media account, you're all set to generate money from the affiliate marketing program launched by IndiaMart. And you can generate affiliate links of any products that is being listed on the IndiaMart website. For the demo purpose, let me generate the affiliate link of a laptop by searching for laptop on the search bar of this particular program. As you can see over here, my laptop's affiliate link is being generated. Now, what you need to do is you have to copy the URL of this particular affiliate link and share it on your social media accounts. And whenever people will click on that particular link which you have provided, you will be getting paid for every single click. So that's how it works, and that's how you make money. As I promised earlier, I told you that I will be sharing a way through which you can generate more clicks on your affiliate link. Before we cover that particular topic, let's see how to withdraw the money that you have generated from this particular affiliate program by IndiaMart. So now let me share with you exactly how you can withdraw your hard-earned money directly to your bank account. So let's start. So firstly, in order to withdraw your money from your IndiaMart to your bank account directly, you just need to complete your KYC in the first position. So for that, click on the profile option and then on the KYC option and then click on proceed option as you can see on the screen. After that, in order to complete your KYC process, you need to provide your channel link, your address, PAN card photo, passport size photo and passbook's front page photos to this particular IndiaMart website. Only then your KYC will be complete. And after submitting all of these documents, click on the next option that is available down there. Okay, after submitting this particular document, it will be asking you for one more option verification, which is like, have you subscribed for our channel for further notification? Just click on yes option and then proceed. And once you have done all of these steps, you are now eligible to transfer your money from your IndiaMart account to your bank account directly. So your hard-earned money can be directly transferred from your IndiaMart wallet to your bank account without the involvement of any middleman. So the confirmation will be receiving on your mail ID as well, which you need to open and sign digitally, and within 10 days your account will be completely activated and you can start earning from this particular program. So now comes the most interesting part. How can you generate more clicks on your affiliate links? Because if you are an influencer, it's very easy for you to bring more clicks on your affiliate links because your number of followers and number of people who actually see your affiliate links is high. So for that reason, bringing clicks on your affiliate link is very easy if you are an influencer. But if you are not an influencer, I have a bonus clip for you. So you can use a platform called as Quora. Quora is a platform wherein question and answer discussion will be taking place across the world. So you just need to register yourself on this particular platform. The link will be available down there in the description through which you can easily register and answer the questions that the people from different parts of the country will be asking. So you just need to answer all of their questions and paste the URL at the end of your answer. So basically what happens is whenever people will read through your answer, they will come at the end part of your answer and they will see a link and they will click on that. It will be redirecting them to the IndiaMart website from where you will be getting money. So that's the easiest thing that you can do. Use Quora platform, answer different questions that is being asked on the Quora platform and paste the URL at the end of your answer. So in that way, you can actually generate more clicks on your affiliate links. And trust me, Quora is a platform wherein a lot of people come and ask questions. So it's a big traffic website. So you can actually generate more clicks very easily on this particular platform. As the saying goes, consistency is the key. So you just need to answer relevant questions that is being asked on the Quora platform and then paste the URL of your affiliate link so through which people will click on it, and for every single click you will be getting money. So that's how you can make money easily from the Quora platform. Also, you can even share it on WhatsApp groups, Facebook pages, Telegram channels, Discord communities, through which you can actually generate unique clicks on your affiliate link. So that's also the easiest way through which you can generate more clicks, and more clicks leads to more money. And keep in mind, for every single unique click that you make, you will be getting 2.5 rupees. So that's how you make money. So that was all about IndiaMart's affiliate marketing program. If you really felt that this video was informative, give me a thumbs up and stay tuned with us by subscribing to our channel, because I'll be bringing more of such insightful videos every time. So if you really felt that this video will add value to your life, stay tuned with us by subscribing. Till then, I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye. Happy earning.